Guys, how are you? Today, I will discuss with all of you when you you will see your friend. Uh, uh, must be you will talk with him. How are you? This is the first talk. So, how are you? How are you? How are you? How are you? It is an English language. How are you? It is an English language. So now, how can I say? How can I say uh, in Russian language? Now, how can I say in Russian language? How are you? So, как дела? Как дела? Как дела means how are you? Как дела means how are you? Как? Как means how? Дела. Дела. Дела means do. Dela means do. How do? How do? Как dela means how are you? Как dela means how are you? Как dela? Как dela? Как? Как dela? Как dela? Как dela? Как dela means how are you? Как? Как? Dela. Dela. It is Russian language. It is English language. Russian language, как dela, that means how are you? Как dela means how are you? If you say, if you say how are you? If you say how are you, it is it is called in Russian как dela. It is called in Russian как dela. Как ke ke a ke как ke a ke a ke как ke a ke как de ye el a diela как diela diela как diela means how are you. Here ke ke its pronunciation, it's pronunciated in English k. It's pronunciated in English k. Russian pronunciate and English pronunciate same. It's Russian and English pronunciation same. It's Russian and English pronunciation same. A. Its pronunciation in Russian A. Its pronunciation in Russian A. But when we pronunciation, when we will pronunciation in English, it will be pronounced A, but it pronounced in Russian A. K. It's pronounced in English and Russian is same. They. It's pronounced in English like in English D. It's pronounced like in English D. It will be pronounced like in English D. It pronounced like in Russian they. Like in Russian, they. Yeah, it's pronunciation. It will be pronounced in Russian. Yeah, it will be pronounced in Russian. Yeah, yeah. It will be pronounced in Russian. Yeah. But when we will pronunciation in English, it will be pronounced E. It will be pronounced in E. English. L. It pronounced in Russian L. Like in English L. Like in English L. It is English letter and it is Russian letter. It is English letter. It is English letter and it is Russian letter. But two of words pronunciation are same. L. It will be pronounced L in Russian. It will be pronounced in English L. Two words are pronunciation are same. I hope you are all understand. Bye bye. Please like, comment, share my video. Thank all of you.